Bokajan MEC constituency ke Parlopon, Lahurijan ME School Khat-Khatialong, Akang Tuyang Deng ke Pabat Ponje Phanpura, Karbianglong Autonomous Council, ACM, Dr. Tuliramlong Hangar Dengpen, Lu ke Charlie Ahem Kimi ki Kim Kirang ki Pangcheng Ponje Phan, Long Liar Nam Lapen, Long E ki Sompon. Labang Somelong, Khat-Khati Police Station Tower Krong ki Thompen, Khat-Khati Railway Station Pen Radiant, Lahurijan along ke do Sunday Bazaar Pen, Rangamai Village, Basbari along an, Tovar Kaselam Ponje Phan Sitame, Long E Sompon Long. Lason si local MLA Anparta, Assam Legislative Assembly along Deputy Speaker Dr. Numal Momin, Karbianglong Autonomous Council MEC, BJP asong along Klem Bangphu, Bangphia Tumpen Chenglok, Ongdung, Araratum Chitong Dimsi, May RD Pidunlo. Labang Somelong Sitame Kilangji Lok Sabha MP Kiligalong ke Dipu ST Constituency of Harman, BJP asong penke Amar Singh Tisosi Chipate Dun Poputa Melong Pangdakpon. Bokajan Penanantirang Karbianglong Lai.